Hey, you my right hand, you my go-to. Just know that these streets just won't love you like I do, and they never will.
Hey guys, what is up? Hey! Okay, so today we're going to be following Jasmine Brown's wash and go routine.
She uses a ton of products and expensive products too. So I don't know. I'm excited to see what this is gonna do for my hair. But right now I feel like I got my little routine down. But we'll see.
So yeah, I'm also really excited because I don't really have a specific routine. I'm still experimenting because my hair is very different and difficult to work with because it's long and thick. And anything that I've tried so far, like my hair still gets frizzy like when I go outside. So hopefully this works. And
Yeah.
maybe I'll have a new
I'm
routine.
excited to try.
She doesn't like her hair poofy, so she wants something that's gonna help like manage her hair. Okay, so yeah.
I'm excited.
All right, let's get started, guys.
I just got out the shower
Okay, so did we.
and I washed my hair. And I washed my hair with my Carol's Daughter almond milk shampoo and
You got that.
conditioner.
Love it.
Buttery.
So good. I love it.
It does.
Now it's time to brush my hair. I haven't brushed my hair in like so long.
You
So,
got hairbrush?
Yes.
Yeah,
I brushed it in the shower.
so my hair is still wet and I left a little bit of this conditioner in my hair.
But I
didn't
love
blow it
brushing
out. Basically just wring out what
No,
was
no,
out.
you stop.
And now it's in my hair, unbrushed or uncombed, undetangled. So now it's time to detangle it. And I'm just gonna start.
I like to use this kind of brush, but
Me too.
I'm
you
using
like that one?
And then
I like
just
using
work
my
way
fingers.
up to the top.
You use your fingers?
Yes. Well, she can't. Her hair's short.
I'm taking this off.
All right. Your hair is dry. Oh my.
I know. Because she's using the
Ah! Okay. Take another shower.
All right, so now we're gonna use this.
Ah.
We got our argan oil of Morocco, like her, the conditioner. Let's see, what is she gonna do? Yeah, this is. I use this.
Conditioner.
I look
I
big
leave-
yet.
Oh.
So I use this.
Don't say no.
Just go ahead and get a little bit, actually a lot. Just put it through all
Okay.
this.
All right. I'm gonna put the conditioner
Just that
in the
little
top.
Sit in a line.
Just she put a lot, but
You
she
didn't
has
have
a
that
lot.
thick.
I
a lot
want to
of
do
hair.
it in two separate.
She put it in
Are you
like
going?
this.
Right down the middle.
I know. Okay.
Looks good. It feels really soft.
You need to
Smooth.
split your hair.
I
That's what you. When you split it, you're getting at least on one side, and the
Ooh,
other side
your
you're
hair looks
doing it
good.
all at once.
It's working out.
Then it's not getting on every as
One
much hair.
product. Man, I hope this works.
How we do 2 sections is probably better for you to do
4.
4.
It's not looking that bad.
No.
That bad?
What?
No, like
That bad.
Like it's looking good. Sorry.
We're trying to get the full experience here. Make sure we do this right, okay? All right, so let's go.
And this conditioner is like a thick consistency, so
Yep.
it like clumps all my curls together.
Yeah.
And I love any product that does that. And then after that conditioner, I'm gonna go ahead and put in this Viva Curl Super Cream. This is a coconut curl styler.
Oh, it's that?
Yes.
I'm putting it
This
in.
cream right here works really good in my hair. I don't know, I feel like if you mix it with the conditioner, it just does something special and magical, and it works so good.
She
Okay.
did it like 3 times.
Pumps, and then I
What?
start on my
3 pumps.
and then I just make my way down, and that pretty much gets me halfway down.
3
Then I'm
pumps.
going to get like 2 more.
Oh, those are big pumps too.
Into my hair.
It just
Depends
depends
on your thickness.
Okay, and then there's
Yeah.
one more cream product that I like to use, but I only put this in certain parts of my
Oh.
hair.
Yeah.
I like to
Forgot we're trying to do this. Okay. Okay, so
Oh my god, I love the smell of them though.
I know. Hopefully it works.
I'll just do it because of the smell.
I don't really like taking a lot of time on my hair. I'm very low maintenance with my hair. I just
One step and you're done.
I don't really do much with it. So I don't know. All these steps is a lot. But hey, if the curls are popping, it's worth it.
I'm never stopping.
Oh. Next is
The olive oil hair lotion.
okay.
This product right here is super thick, and if you put too much in your hair will feel greasy. I used to hate this product.
I've tried this before.
You have?
I was like, oh heck no.
You have?
The way my
I don't
hair now,
like
and
it.
that's what I've heard from a lot of different people. But if you put a small amount in parts of your hair that get really dry, it works so good. I like to use it in the back of my hair, near the back of my hairline, and then the ends of my hair, and it keeps it so moisturized.
What about
This
for
I
me,
would not put
my
in my roots.
I know, but for me, I don't. My roots,
Just wherever it's dry.
Okay. Dry.
my roots and my roots and my
Me
She
too.
said she wouldn't put it in her roots, but
she. Where she put it?
And then like the back of her hair. And
That's
the
what I was
end.
gonna say in the back. That's where I get mine.
but she said she wouldn't in the root. In the root.
Turning into Asia.
This again. How much did she
Just
put?
put a
Like,
little
that's
on
already-
the,
little
on the
bit.
bottom.
Yeah.
Because it does get really greasy. So
And then
don't
in the
put
back?
so much. Yeah. Alright, so Malia was the last one? Okay.
Yeah.
Still working on it.
So now I'm actually going to get my wide tooth comb and then just comb all of that product throughout my hair to make sure it's all even. Okay, after that, this is like the most important part if you want defined curls. Then
Okay, so we're gonna.
This is where it's going. The demon brush.
Demon.
Once I brush my hair, I feel like this is where it's gonna ruin my.
Not me!
I don't like brushing my hair.
Me too.
Well,
I like
Me
brushing
too.
my hair.
okay, so I'm gonna try the Denman brush.
Oh, I thought it literally was called the devil brush.
and you have
Demon.
curly hair.
Demon.
You're missing
Or
out
demon.
on life.
So let's
I
see
heard that
if
some
it
people
curls.
don't like this detangle,
What? I'm not done
and
yet.
I am all with you. I would not detangle my hair with this unless I was like detangling blown out hair. You know what I mean? But this right here, after you comb all of your hair out and then you brush it through your hair, it just clumps your curls together and it, you'll see. You'll see. So I don't know if you
I'ma
watched my
see.
old
We're gonna
videos,
see.
but I don't part my hair. I brush all of my hair back and I let it dry back, and then I can pick which side I want it to go on without a distinguished part. So I'm just gonna split my hair in half, okay? And then you can either just brush your hair through it with this, or you can get little sections at a time, like this.
Yeah.
If you really want defined curls, just do like little sections at a time, and then just brush. And then you see that? It's like it's all together. Let me show you one second.
This is just
Okay, so you
so
see
straight.
this? It's kind of together, but it's like not.
Oh, I
really
see
all
it.
the way together. So you just get this,
Hers is going
brush it
right.
like 2 times, and you see
Mine.
that? They just
I don't
Yeah,
have,
it is
I don't have
like-
boingy curly hair.
Wingy.
I don't. It doesn't.
Oh yeah, it just goes straight. Well, at the end you could just see that. Oh no, it's curling.
And then you can even do a big piece.
Oh,
at
wow.
Oh look, look, look.
When
No,
you did that.
look at what Amia, when Amia does.
Wow.
But her. Oh yeah, she has to.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're
I'm
big.
excited.
Sorry's over there struggling.
And then after this, my curls are all super defined.
Did you brush it in the shower?
I guess this does.
Okay, and then last but not least, I like to block. Oh,
Okay, so. Sorry, we're gonna see.
That's cute. Those curls are good.
Okay. Try.
Heck no.
Oh yeah, I don't like how it seals.
Really?
I'm excited.
Nothing.
Do
Okay, you know what?
Let me
I'm
try.
done. I'm not.
Yeah, you're boiling up.
It's straight in hers. Curl like this.
Oh. Oh
Zaria
no.
has different texture than her.
This is all poofy and this is all straight. Go from the root. With the back.
Straighten hers.
What the hell? Like, go and show them.
Oh my god.
But you got little curls on the bottom.
Do you see this?
Lip. Yeah, you can see. That's a look.
Wow.
So maybe you shouldn't comment with that.
Wait, I mean,
No, I
I'm
gotta
just
do
gonna
what
let
she
that
does.
finish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm not
True.
confident.
Oh
Oh dear.
Okay, so while Zaria's doing that,
And Malia's
we're gonna move on. Oh. We only have one brush, guys.
I'm gonna brush this side and then you can brush that side. If you guys want to know how to straighten your hair,
See
Oh,
there.
hers is boinging after it. That's
Maybe
why,
it'll. We'll see.
What the heck is that?
that's why I feel like you have more like her hair
Yeah,
texture.
so do I don't.
Yeah, we can see Zaria.
did you brush it?
Oh my god.
Go ahead, go ahead.
I did not know your hair was that like
Yeah.
big.
Your face?
It's like spongy.
Yeah.
Done?
Oh, did you?
Alright. Let's
Leah's
move on.
looks good.
Leah's. Something.
Dang.
Okay. Alright. Where's my hair at? What the heck? Mine is just gone. Okay.
Put in my hair all that moisturize, all this defining. I like to lock it in. So I'm going to use this Eva Girl Archangel Gel. Alright.
Okay. Scrunch it in your hair.
Just reminds me of my Mexican childhood
What?
Your Mexican childhood.
with our babysitter. Why? I don't know. It smells like her house, like the back door, or what is it? Back door. The backyard.
Right, let's see what else she's saying.
So basically, I just like to flip my hair upside down, shake my roots out. I just don't want them stuck on the scalp. And then I use this towel. A little scrunch.
I can't look. It's cute. It's
Cute. The way you said cute.
Okay, so now I'm about to use the towel and scrunch like she did.
Me too.
You whacked me with your hair.
2 hours later.
So we let our hair air dry for, didn't take too long, couple hours. Couple hours. And this is our finished hair look. What do you guys think?
I don't like it.
Yeah.
You like it, Malia? I don't see a difference from what I just normally do, and I just use one product. What about you, Amia?
It was alright. At first, it just looked how I usually do it. Now it's just
You
crazy.
got some curl in.
Yeah, I got some. But
They
I
straighten their hair too,
I wouldn't
so
do it.
yeah. They straighten their hair, so some might not be as curly as other pieces. Yeah.
I haven't
Is
tried
that
my
right?
hair in a long time.
It's cute. Don't you think it's cute? She
That's
looks like
ugly.
what are the different characters we've said?
Helga.
She looks like
Helga
Helga.
from Hey Arnold.
Dora.
And Sia.
And
Oh,
Sia.
yeah.
It's a lot.
Listen,
It's
no.
cute. I like it.
Not.
Or
For me.
And Asia.
Eh.
I like
This
it.
looks good.
You don't like. She doesn't like big hair.
No, and it's too much. Like, I wouldn't use the products. It's too
Oh, but
much
how do you
work.
like your hair though?
I don't really care. I don't think it looks bad, but
You've done.
Do you like
it's
what
been
you
better.
do already? Better than this?
no. I don't like either.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So
But I don't Which one would I choose better? Yeah, I haven't really found anything that I really like.
Okay, so I'm over this and I want to wash my hair. So we're going to end the video here. Comment down below whose hair you like
the best. Turned out the best. Mine.
Obviously, Zaria.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Alright, so don't forget to like.
Comment.
Share.
subscribe.
And press the bell for notifications.
Thanks for watching. Love you. Mean it.